Hello everyone. So today we are going to do a small video on Keypass. A Keypass is like a password manager which can help to store your passwords for your network devices, your servers, many of the things. Even if you are going to any website, it can store your password. So how you can use a Keypass for your environment? So first you need to download and install a Keypass. It is a Windows based even I think it should be available for a Linux also. Let us see. So from this website you can download a Keypass. Okay, Keypass is available for Windows. Even it is available for a lot of other devices like Keypass for Android, Keypass for iPhone or Apple, Mac OS. Let's see if you have a Keypass for any other things. Keypass is available for Linux as well. Okay, so we are going to install. We have installed a Keypass in our Windows machine. 1 minute, hold on. So once you download this Keypass and install it, it is just like normal any other software you install in a Windows. You download and install a Keypass. After you install a Keypass, you will be open with this particular page. First, you need to create first new database. See, by default there will be no database in a Keypass. So first you need to create a new database. So if you see here, a new database, your data will be stored in a Keypass and all. Okay, so wherever you want to store your database you can do it. I already have one database created. Let me see where is my database. If I go to down 1 minute, let's see. I have one new database already there. Open. Okay, open a database. It was with the name passwords actually. Downloads lab. Okay, let us create a new database, then we'll see. Create a new database. Okay, stored in a document with the name database. Keep us. Okay, no issue. Save it. Password, whatever password you want to give, you can give it. Okay, okay, click on yes. Then what should be the database name you want to do it? Passwords, I'll give it like passwords. Click on OK. I don't want to print anything, just click on escape. Now you will have a default two username, two entries available. So we'll delete these entries. We don't need these entries as of now. Click on this also. Now we will create our new entries. For this, I have one particular firewall, FortiGate firewall. So I'll be saving a password in this particular Keypass. First, I'll save like what is the title, firewall, HTTPS access I want to do. Okay, whatever it is, just a title. What should be a username? Username is like admin. What is the password of your firewall you want to give? Okay, then what is the URL of your firewall? Okay, this is my firewall URL from which the firewall will get access. Click on OK. Now if you double click on this URL, you will be opened with the browser. Now you can copy a password from here. You don't need to type anything, just copy username and paste your username here. Then again go to our passwords, copy password, paste your password here, click on login. Okay, it is saying authentication failed. 1 minute, let me see. Okay, authentication failed again, it is showing. Okay, okay, I actually did the wrong password saved there, so let me do it like, sorry, double click on this. I by mistake saved the wrong password here. I'll delete it. Okay, click on OK. Let me close this again. Then again I'll open it. First let me log out because already a session available. Okay, now login. Let me copy a username. Then let me copy a password. Login. So you don't need to type anything. If you are sharing your screen or anything, no one will be able to know what is your password, and you just need to copy paste. Similar to HTTPS, you can write entries even for SSH for your Linux or anything. Let me do it like firewall SSH. Okay, the username again same, password whatever is your device password. Then here you need to do it like SSH colon slash slash. What is your device password? Main at the rate. What is your device IP? Okay, click on OK. Now if you double click on this SSH, your putty will be opened. Okay, now it will ask you a password. So let me click a copy password, paste it here and enter. I'll be able to log in into my firewall. Not only a firewall, you can log in into any Linux machine as well. So let me do it like for one Linux machine. I have like evng ssh. So my username would be root. My password is okay. Then even evng will be opened by ssh. Username. Okay, this is my evng Linux machine password. Okay, click on OK. Now if I double click on this, my another tab will be open. If I know a password, I can type. If I don't remember a password, I can simply copy paste a password from my Keypass. Okay, so you see now I am able to log in into a device. So that's all. See, store your passwords in that and use SSH or HTTPS or whatever you want to log into a device and use a password. Okay, thank you.